Hey guys, how's it going tonight? Here's another edition of Bay Box Breakers Artifacts 2010-2011 Hockey. Box number on this one is 900-96805. There you go. Time of night is 8:48, Saturday, April 7th. There you go. Leafs are down 2-0 to the Montreal Canadiens right now. And I believe Washington was up 4-1 when I checked. So just a little score update. So here we go, guys. Good luck on tonight's break. Took tomorrow night off as it's Easter and it's family time for me, so there won't be a break tomorrow night, but I should have the rest of the Artifacts case commencing again on Monday. So here we go, 10 packs per box, 4 cards per pack. First 5. Next 5. And I'm going to shuffle them up again. Just for some luck. Okay, good luck, guys. Hope everybody's having a good weekend. It's nice to be off for a few days. I know the weather up here in Ontario is unbelievable right now. It's like summer. So let's go. Here we go. Start things out. Brandon Sater, base. And we got a first hit right away. It's an Artifacts rookie, 853 at 999. Jared Cowan, autographs rookie for the Ottawa Senators, Jared Cowan. Decoy, Mike Camilleri, base. And then we have a Pavel Datsyuk for the Detroit Red Wings, base. Tampa Bay's up 2-1 on Winnipeg, I see. Can't wait for playoffs to start. It's going to be intense, man. Next pack. Here we go. Vinny LeCavalier, base. Kyle Okposo, base for the Isles. Decoy. We have Patrick Kane, the Chicago Blackhawks. That is the Artifact Star insert. Patrick Kane. That's 960 of 999. Sorry, I'm back in the basement. The wife relegated me downstairs again, so the acoustics aren't the best. Phoenix, Shane Doan, base. And I get some glare off these spotlights down here, too. Next pack. Patrick Kane again for Chicago, base. Ryan Getzlaf, base. Oh shit, this next one's a beauty. We got Alexander Ovechkin, base for Washington. Nick Lidstrom for Detroit, base. And this is a sick looking card. Wow. If you had to say who's the 3 biggest stars for Chicago, I'll say them in order, in my mind. Jonathan Toews, Patrick Kane, and Marian Hossa. And you've got the 3 of them on this card. Patch. It's number 13 of 15. Unbelievable hit. They're all at least 2 colors. Let me check it out. The Toews is a gold and a black. Kane is a black and a white. And the Hossa is a red and white. So if you bought Chicago tonight, start clicking your heels, man. You should be pretty happy with that. Beautiful card. I'm kind of a closet Blackhawks fan too. My uncles have always cheered for them. So we got Hossa, Kane, and Toews. Unbelievable. Let's keep it going. Jordan Staal, base. Another hit coming up. Chara, base for Boston. Decoy. We have ourselves a Nick Backstrom for the Minnesota Wild. Number 48 of 150. This is a dual jersey, a green and a red one for Minnesota Wild, Nick Backstrom. Good looking card there too. Wow, nice box so far. Unbelievable. That Chicago card's got to be a case hit. Dan Sedin for Vancouver, base. I say that, but seem to get one in every pack like that. Decoy, one of my favorite all-time players. Cam Neely, 248 of 999. Artifacts Legend for the Boston Bruins. Cam Neely. Very nice. Ryan Miller, base. And then you got Dion Phaneuf for Toronto, base. Next pack. I also want to know what you guys want to see next, because I'm going to get another case of something this week and get a fresh case started up. So let me know what you want, and I'd be more than happy to do it. Brandon Dubinsky, base for the Rangers. Wow, next card's nice too. Carey Price, base for Montreal. Joe Pavelski, base for the Sharks. John Tavares, base for the Isles. Another thick, beautiful looking card. Wow, this one's 22-25. The reason the Flames were nearly in the playoffs. Mika Kiprusoff. This is a treasured swatches. It's 3-colored patch along with a jersey. Beautiful card for any Calgary fan or any collector at all, because he is one of the best goaltenders in the league. My God, are we having some luck tonight? Easter Bunny is coming to me early. Or, well, to you guys, I guess. You know what? Pulling cards for you guys makes me happy, is pulling them for myself. As you already know, I don't participate in my own breaks. I buy breaks off other breakers, and I can't seem to pull anything ever. Nick Backstrom, base for Minnesota. We got Jason Spezza, base for Ottawa. Mika Koivu, base for Minnesota. The Decoy. Wow, another nice hit here. We got an auto. There's a little man on a Buffalo, number 63, Tyler Ennis. Tyler Ennis. Did you know he wasn't even drafted? Unbelievable player out of Buffalo, Tyler Ennis. Show him the little man can make his mark in the NHL. My opinion, who's the best little man ever to play the game has got to be Theo Fleury. Thomas Vokoun, base for the Florida Panthers. Mika Kiprusoff, base for Calgary. Bobby Ryan, base for the Ducks. Decoy. And we got ourselves our redemption. This one's for the New York Rangers. Number 220. It's funny, I pulled the list up today to try to check out who's who. Not sure who it is for the Rangers, but if I had to guess, I bet you it's probably Derek Stepan. So there's your Rangers redemption. Nice hit. So let's keep the luck going, boys. Wow. Next pack. We've got Tyler Bozak, base. You got a base, Ryan Kesser for Vancouver. You got Decoy. We go another rookie. This one's a little more limited, though. This is a 9 of 10 rookie for the Columbus Blue Jackets, Chad Kolorik. 9 of 10. Nice hit. I'm shocked right now with these hits so far. And then you got a Patrick Marleau, base for San Jose. Last pack. Here we go. Shane Doan for Phoenix, base. Got a base, Marty Brodeur. We got a base, Evander Kane. We have our Decoy, and then we have another hit. is the third rookie of the box, or fourth if you count the redemption. 490 of 999 Artifacts rookie. Cody Allman for the Minnesota Wild. Cody Allman. So that was a great box. The best one so far, for sure. So I'll quickly highlight. We've got the Allman for Minnesota. We got the Caloric, 9 of 10 for Columbus. We've got the Rangers Redemption. Everybody's happy tonight, I would imagine. We got the Buffalo Sabres, Ennis Auto. We got the Neely for Boston, Legends. We've got the 2 hits, I'll save those. We've got the Ottawa, Jared Cowan, nice rookie. We've got Nick Backstrom, green and red Minnesota jersey. So that's 2 big hits for Minnesota. Then we have the beautiful Mika Kiprusoff, 22 of 25 jersey patch. Beautiful card. Black, gold, and red patch. And then you got the Patrick Kane Artifact Star hit. And then the monster of all, 13 of 15, the Tundra Trios, triple patch, all Blackhawks, Taves, Kane, and Hossa. Nice pull. Congratulations to whoever that belongs to. So thanks again for your bids, guys. Unfortunately, like I said, being Easter tomorrow, I'm taking tomorrow night off. But I will have my next break on Monday. So check it out on Monday. I will put it up for about 7:30 or 8 o'clock Eastern time. Just check it out tomorrow night. It'll be up, the auctions for the following day. So hope to see you again Monday night. And thanks for your bids and quick payment, guys. Take care. Have yourselves a good Easter.